Assalamualaikum, Dr. Nasrul. My name is Dr. Badusha, Monitoring number A210164. I'm the leader from the Group 6, Section 5. So our topic is work study, car wash, Arif Raja. As you can see, this is our all group member. The first one is Siti Zainab, Ras Adiba, Nur Aina, and Nur Asia.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Ras Adiba binti Azlan. So today I want to present about introduction work study at Car Wash Parit Raja Johor. Work study at the workshop in Parit Raja Johor within the framework of industrial engineering is centered on systematically analyzing and optimizing production process to enhance operation efficiency. This process involves a range of techniques including time and motion studies which track and measure the time taken for various tasks as well as process analysis which examines the flow of material, labor and equipment to identify inefficiencies and potential bottlenecks. Ergonomic is also a critical focus as it evaluates the design of workstation and tools to improve worker comfort, reduce fatigue, and minimize the risk of injury. By implementing this work study method, the study aims to streamline production process in reduce waste in terms of time, material, and labor, and improve resource utilization. It also focuses on ensuring a safe working environment, which is crucial for maintaining employee health and well-being. Overall, the application of industrial engineering principles in this work study enable business in Parit Raja to optimize their operation, cut costs, improve product quality, and boost overall productivity, leading to greater competitiveness and sustainability in the manufacturing sector. Problem statement. The car wash company is encountering multiple operation challenges that significantly affect both its efficiency and customer satisfaction. One major issue is the inconsistent service delivery, where varying cleaning time for different type of vehicle create delay, causing longer wait times for customers. This is exacerbated by inefficient labor utilization as some workers are underutilized during low traffic periods, while others are overburdened during peak hours, leading to imbalanced workload and decreased productivity. For objective, first, optimize the allocation of labor and resource to improve productivity. Second, to reduce operating costs through better utilization of material, energy, and equipment. Next, enhance customer service by reducing service times and ensuring consistent quality. And last, develop an efficiency staffing schedule to balance workflow fluctuation throughout the day. Scope. First, time and motion study, measuring the time taken for various tasks, for example, washing, drying, vacuuming, detailing to establish baseline performance and identify bottlenecks. Second, labor productivity analyzing, reviewing the number of employees needed per shift, task allocation, and training requirements to improve workforce efficiency. And lastly, customer experience evaluation. Identify factors that influence customer wait time, service consistency, and satisfaction. That's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi, I am Wanda Anafika binti Wajir Fajalani, matrix number AD210172. Now I will talk about literature review. Okay, first, time study in car wash operations. The use of time studies in manual car wash typically involve breaking down the cleaning process into discrete tasks and measuring the time spent on each vehicle. According to a study by Fitzgerald and Mulligan, 1994, time studies are important in service industries where task durations vary. In car washes, workers perform a sequence of tasks such as rinsing, soaping, scrubbing, washing, drying, and wiping, with each task having a variable duration depending on the size, type, and degree of soiling of the vehicle. Okay, number two, motion study and ergonomics. In In the car wash industry, workers are often required to perform repetitive physical tasks such as scrubbing, rinsing, and drying the car. Motion study focused on analyzing and improving this movement to reduce fatigue, so increase productivity, and minimize the risk of injury. In a study conducted by Mazurek 2011, ergonomic principles were applied to a car wash operation to design optimal posture for workers, leading to a 15% reduction in fatigue and an increase in productivity. Okay, next, number three, standard operating procedure (SOP) and task sequencing. In manual car wash operations, task sequencing plays a key role in improving efficiency. Studies such as CIDL 2008 have shown that developing standard operations procedures (SOP) can streamline workflow by ensuring that tasks are performed in the most efficient order. For example, washing and rinsing should be done in a way that minimizes rework, while drying should be done immediately after washing to avoid water spot. Number four, process optimization through lean principle. Lean manuma- Lean manufacturing principle has have also been applied to service sectors such as car washes, where they are used to reduce waste and optimize the flow of activities. Pruitt 2017 applied Lean principle to car wash system design and found that flow-oriented design significantly reduced both waiting time and labor costs. By designing the layout of the car wash to ensure that workers can complete tasks in a continuous sequence, it is possible to increase overall efficiency. Last but not least, number five, staffing and workload balance. Another important area where work study can be used in manual car wash operation is in staffing level management. According to Chase 2014, determining optimal staffing involves understanding both the demand and for service, which is number of cars, and the time required to complete tasks. By using work study data such as time studies and performance standards, managers can better match staffing to demand, ensuring that they are not overstaffed or understaffed during peak or off-peak period. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Raju Badrusha, my metric number 8210164. Now we move on to methodology. We have three methodology. I will explain one by one. The first one is research methodology. Our case study involves the collection data to visit to the various car wash center in Parit Raja Batu Pahat. This data help analyze the work process at each car wash. Our project is focused on identify more efficiency way to perform task. The second one methodology is flow chart. As you can see in this slide, the first of the flow chart is start. The second one is find the case study, analysis the problem, and so on. You can see there's some things important when we move on to writing report. You can see the Trinity if we are more to 30. So we must do back lah, go back to writing report. If the Trinity is below than 30, we can accept and go to present and finish. That's all. Okay, the last methodology is data processing. So first one is calculate of the standard time. As you can see, this is the formula of calculation of the standard time. The second one is calculation of normal time. As you can see, the normal time formula. The last one is data collection method. Our data collection method focus on the interior and exterior wash service for compact and sedan cars. They will add the result summaries of the data from each car wash, including the college, included normal and standard time. Or you can see the result data collection at the next slide. That's all. Thank you for me.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Zainab binti Kasim. I will present about the result and analysis of the work study at car wash at Parit Raja. There is various of car wash that we have visit, which is Candy Car Wash, Auto Detailing, Jai Car Wash, Bandayu Car Wash, and Ani Auto Spa Detailing. In this table, we can see about the data collection from each of the car wash, which is average cycle time, rating, normal time, operation efficiency, allowance, and price. So from this data collection, we can obtain the standard time calculation. Okay, for the analysis, we can see that Candy Car Wash has a standard time of 25.29 minutes per unit of the car. And for the Auto Detailing, it only has 14.88 minutes per unit of car to wash and clean the exterior and interior of the compact or sedan car. Jai Car Wash, the standard time obtained is 30.60 minutes per unit of car. The standard time taken by Bandayu Car Wash is only 15.94 minutes per unit of car. As for the Ani Auto Spa Detailing, it takes 20.40 minutes per unit of car for their standard time to wash and clean the compact or sedan type of car. The most efficient car wash that has an efficiency in time is Auto Detailing, because it only has 14.88 minutes per unit of car to wash and clean the exterior and interior of the compact or sedan car.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nazar binti Muhammad Yusof, entry number CD210198. I will explain about discussion and suggestion. The result of the obtained data and the work study calculation in the previous topic will be explained further in discussion to see if our project achieve the objective or not. The case study focus on in labor standard time. A detailed study was conducted to measure task duration at each stage of the car wash process. The average time for a complete car wash service for standard time from 5 car wash is average 22 minutes per unit, and for time normal time average is 25 minutes per unit. The manpower utilization at the car wash is poor due to multitasking by worker between roles, which also lead to fatigue among the worker. In addition, there is aging equipment such as pressure washer and dryer that is causing breakdown and extended downtime. Absence of the water recycling system result in high water consumption and hence operational costs. A cost analysis show that very heavy reliance on manual labor and ethic technology significantly contribute to overall expenses. Every car wash based on the survey got a different average cycle time. The average cycle time based on the period of working time included rest time. Some of car wash had short period of working time like RA the auto detailing car wash and Bandayu car wash that got an average cycle time of 25 minutes. This time included service with a linear workflow including customer check-in, wash, washing, drying and finishing. The longer time taken if got extra service, for example polish car and wash car seat. The service will need extra time from normal and standard time because it need extra work to make customer satisfied with the service. Suggestion is to implement a parallel workflow where multiple cars have several service stages simultaneously to reduce any bottleneck. reorganize and restructure the layout of every area to minimize unnecessary motion, streamline tasks with the precise responsibilities so that no task can be repeated, perform a time and motion study to determine each task every time in investment and establish standardized service time. This will ensure consistency among the worker and will help in scheduling worker tasks more effectively, mainly during peak hour.
For conclusion, this research successfully explored the application of work study techniques at car wash operations in Farid Raja Johor with the goal of enhancing productivity and operational effectiveness. Through detailed analysis of time and motion, labor allocation, and ergonomic practice, the study pinpointed critical inefficiencies such as inconsistent resource utilizations and variable service delivery times. The evaluation identified RI Auto Detailing as the most time-efficient service provider, completing tasks in just 14.88 minutes per vehicle. Other car wash stations reveal opportunities for improvement, particularly in operational consistency. By implementing these strategies, business can achieve smoother operations, improve workforce efficiency, and cost reductions. These improvements not only enhance customer satisfaction but also provide a competitive advantage in the local car wash industry, serving as a model for optimizing labor-intensive service effectively. Thank you.
So that's all for my group. Thank you, Doctor. Adios.